Hello and welcome to another session of Home Fixing for Beginners Express. Today we're going to go over how to turn on a gas water heater. Now this is a Honeywell gas water heater. I had to turn it on this morning because the gas company had to shut it off and turn off the gas for some gas pipes to get fixed. And then they forgot to turn this on. I mean, what the hell, right? So I had to figure it out. Basically, it's not too complicated. You just have to turn on the pilot. That's the first step. If you notice right now, it's on because this light here is flashing green. And the first thing you're going to do is turn on the valve that lets the gas go through. Then we're going to open this little thing right here. That's going to allow you to get to a little window, which is this little glass. Ouch, it's a little bit hot, don't touch it. And that's going to allow you to see whether the pilot is on or not. You'll realize that it's gonna be off. You're not gonna see anything. It's gonna be completely dark. So the first thing you're going to do once you notice that is you're going to turn this little thing up down all the way until it says pilot. Then when you get there, you're gonna leave it pressed to get the gas to be released, and you're going to press this spark button multiple times while watching down there until you see that a little flame lights up through that window. Then you're going to just leave this pressed for a couple seconds and turn it all the way up until it says hot or very hot, however hot you want it. And then while looking down here, you'll realize that the whole oven is going to, the whole heater is going to turn on, and it's going to keep going. And it's gonna look kind of like this. If you look through the window, you'll see all the flames going after that little pilot flame turns on. And that's about it. Then you just put this thing back on there and you got yourself a turned on heater. It might take about an hour for your water to get warm again. And another thing for precautionary purposes, make sure that if you at the very beginning when you're turning it on smell like rotten eggs, like gas, it means there's a leak, and you should probably stop and call the gas company or someone who can take care of the leak. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.